Good evening, and I welcome you, students, for the session of physical chemistry. See that 12th CBSE has got three parts, students: physical, inorganic, and organic. And what are the most important questions which are likely to be asked or which can be expected, student, for the coming CBSE paper on physical chemistry? So there will be discussion on that. That will also mean a revision of the physical chemistry, student, which is very important, and a lot of students are having great difficulty in that. And we like to see how to answer questions. What I am talking is, students, physical chemistry. Important questions for 2021. Okay. First chapter in the physical chemistry is solid state, students, which we have read it. We have uploaded the lectures on that also. The solid state, student, if you will see, if you remember in the solid state, what we studied in the solid state, student, what we studied the unit cell, what we studied, student, the different type of the unit cells which are there. We have studied the simple cubic, FCC, BCC, and then you also studied the seven primitive unit cells, 14 Brevis lattices, and certain angles were studied: alpha, beta, gamma, and ABC, students. Then we studied about the different type of wires which are formed in CCP, HCP, closed pack structure, students, one dimensional, two dimensional, three dimensional closed pack structures. We studied about the wires, students. Tetrahedral wires were there, octahedral wires were there. Then we studied the packing efficiency.
Yes,
Did we
sir.
study that packing efficiency, simple cubic,
Yes, sir.
FCC and BCC, students? The number of atoms per unit cell, what we called as Z, student, the relationship between edge length and radius for BCC, FCC, simple cubic. We are just trying to tell you that what type of questions will be there, students. And students, we studied the number of octahedral wires, tetrahedral wires in CCP, FCP, packing efficiency, students. Then we studied imperfections in the solid state, student, stoichiometric defects, non-stoichiometric defects, and questions will be asked, students, on this impurity defects. Then what we studied, student, metal excess defects, metal deficiency defects. So and then we studied about what type of substances, electrical properties could be there, student, what type of substances are there. Then you studied N type and P type of semiconductor, students. And then we studied certain magnetism like paramagnetic substances, student, paramagnetic, ferromagnetic, anti and perimagnetic substances. Is that all we studied, student? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
All right, then. That is the first part of the physical chemistry solid state, student. So we should be able to get 4 marks from this chapter. And first question is coming on the screen. We are going to talk some important and most important questions which we are expecting. What is the formula of a compound in which element Y forms CCP lattice? X occupy 1/3 of tetrahedral wide, student. You have 1 minute to answer the question. 1 minute to answer every question, student. What is the formula of the compound, student, in which Y forms CCP? This is a cubical closed pack structure. Y is forming, student,
CCP.
CCP.
X2Y3.
X2Y3. Y is CCP and X. If N is a number of atoms, then how many octahedral voids will be there?
2N.
2n. And what is 1/3 is occupied? 2/3n is 2x. Then what it becomes, student? X 2 by
2Y.
3n into yn.
N.
So multiply by 3
Into
student.
3.
What do you get?
X2, Y3.
X2, Y3. This is the formula of the compound, student. How you are getting half and half mark,
Yes, sir.
student. So such a question can be asked in the paper and they are usually asked. So that's why we are giving it. Next question on the screen. What is the formula of a compound in which Y forms CCP lattice and X occupy 2/3 of the tetrahedral void, students?
It will be X4, Y3.
CCP.
X4,
If n
Y3.
is the number of atoms, then how many tetrahedral voids will be there? 2n into 2 by 3. So x 4 n by 3 is to yn. So what it becomes? Multiply by 3, students. X4 y 3. So x4 y3. ठीक है? So students, this formula, now they can ask, give octahedral voids or anything, because this is important question. Such questions are given. All right, students. We told you what type certain defects were given, students. What type
Yes,
of
sir.
defects I told you? One are called stoichiometric
Sociometric.
defects. Can you tell me, student, what are stoichiometric defects?
Sir, these are those defects which do not disturb the stoichiometry of the solid.
Okay, do not disturb. Stoichiometry of the solid compound, whatever compound is there. So the formula is not disturbed, student. What type of stoichiometry defects we studied, students?
Ionic and non-ionic.
In the non-ionic,
In non-ionic, we have vacancy defect and interstitial defect.
vacancy and interstitial defects, covalent compounds. And in the ionic,
In ionic, Frankel defect and Schottky defect.
Frankel and short means short key. Okay. What type of stoichiometric defect is shown by AgCl?
It shows Frankel defect.
HCl, AgCl. What is a silver ion and chloride ions? It is
Chloride
ionic compound.
Yes, sir.
So what type of defect we are saying, student?
Frankel defect.
Frankel defect. Why?
Because there is a large difference in the size of ions.
Silver ion and chloride ions. ठीक है? Ag plus and Cl. There is a large difference. In size of cation and anion. In such cases, what will happen to the density?
There will be no change in the density.
No change in density. What happens in these cases?
This is a dislocation defect.
Dislocation defect.
So
Okay.
smaller ion, usually cation, is dislocated from its normal site to an interstitial site.
Next question on the screen, student. Define the following. What is a Schottky defect, student? What definition you will write in the exam?
Schottky defect is a vacancy defect in ionic solids in which the number of missing anions and cations are same.
Okay. Vacancy defect. In ionic solids. And what happens? Equal
Equal number of anion and cations are missing.
cations, anions missing. What is the result of this?
A decrease in the density of solid.
This will decrease density of the solid. What do you define as Frankel defect, student?
Frankel defect
These
is
are also stoichiometric defects.
yes,
Okay.
Frankel defect is a dislocation defect in which the smaller ion, usually cation, is dislocated from its normal site to an interstitial site. So it
Okay.
will create a vacancy defect at its original site and interstitial defect at the new location.
Smaller cation dislocated. ठीक है, dislocated to interstitial site. Give example of each of them.
Schottky defect example is uh, NaCl, KCl,
Alkali halides.
alkali halides. And then there can also be AgBr, CCl, CSCl. For Frankel defect, it could be AgCl, AgBr.
Any compound which shows both Schottky and Frankel
AgBr.
defects, students?
AgBr.
AgBr shows both defects. Variation in the questions could be there. AgBr shows both Schottky and Frankel defects. What is an F center, student?
F centers are the anionic sites which are occupied by unpaired electrons.
Anionic sites. What is actually that? Metal excess defect.
Metal excess defect due to anionic vacancies.
Metal excess defect due to
Anionic vacancies.
anionic vacancies. ठीक है? What happens? The anionic sites are occupied by
Unpaired electrons.
anionic sites are occupied by unpaired electrons. They are called F centers, and they are responsible for the color. For example, examples of the metal excess defects.
Yellow color of NaCl, pink color of LiCl,
When NaCl is heated in atmosphere of sodium vapor.
sodium vapor,
Heated in
atmosphere of sodium vapor.
atmosphere of sodium vapor. What will happen? Sodium will lose an electron and will react with the Cl minus to form NaCl, and these electrons will go and occupy the anionic sites. Similarly, lithium chloride, when heated in atmosphere of lithium, what type of color is shown by lithium chloride?
Pink.
Pink.
Lithium chloride is pink.
And KCl?
Violet.
What they call lilac or violet color?
Lilac or violet.
Important. These are some of the important questions, students, which are asked in a different way. They can be asked. So we should know that the question could be changed in a different form. That's all. This is based on your metal excess defects. Examine the given defective crystal. Answer the following question, student. Is the above defect stoichiometric or non-stoichiometric? What type of
Uh,
defect is this?
it is stoichiometric.
What has happened? X, y minus 1. What is missing here?
यहाँ पे x plus is missing and नीचे
Positive.
y minus.
And this is negative. Okay.
Yes.
Y minus, this is x plus missing. So what type of defect is this?
It is Schottky defect.
Stoichiometric defect. Write the term used for the type of defect.
Schottky defect.
Schottky defect. Give an example of the compound which shows this type of defect, students.
And NaCl.
NaCl. So ionic compound, almost they are same size. How does this defect affect the density of the crystal, students?
It decreases the density.
Decreases the density of the crystal, student. So students, what we try to say that questions could be put in objective form also. I mean, similar type of questions can be put in reasoning assertive form also. It's up to the examiner how they set up the paper. Whatever is important, this is being discussed from the solid state. Express the relationship between atomic radius and edge length in BCC. Evan, there will be numericals on this. We have been repeatedly saying this is a very important point, student. We discussed what? We discussed simple cubic. Simple cubic. How did we discuss simple cubic? Was very easy, student. What was that? A is equal to 2R.
Wow.
Then we discussed FCC, student. What happened in FCC? This type of situation. What was that in FCC?
A is equal to 2 root 2R.
A is equal to 2 root
2 root
2R.
2R.
Then we discussed BCC, student. What was the relationship?
BCC was A is equal to 4 by root 3 into R.
BCC is A is equal to
4 by root 3 into R.
This we have used a lot in the numericals in density also. Very important. These three are important. I told you we must remember A is equal to 2R, A is equal to 2 root 2R, A is equal to 4 by root 3R. Student, these three formulas are important, should be known to us for numericals also on density. There will be numericals on density also. So we should know how to do them. Okay? So these are some of the ways, student, we must remember these formulas. Next, express the relationship between atomic radius and edge length of FCC. Unit cell that we have already answered. 2 root 2R.
2R.
Important formula. FCC, BCC and simple cubic is very easy. A is equal to 2R. Why are crystalline solids and isotropic, students?
Crystalline solids are anisotropic in nature because some of their physical properties, such as refractive index or electrical resistance, show different values when measured along different directions.
That is what is the meaning of anisotropic. The question is not that.
This,
Question is why are crystalline solids anisotropic?
This is due to the different arrangement of particles in different directions.
So we have to be sure what we have to write in the paper. Students, here he has not asked what is anisotropy. If he says what is anisotropy. Then you have to say that they have different physical properties, like which one?
Refractive index, electrical resistance,
Refractive index, electrical
resistance.
in different directions. Here the question is different. Why are this? Because of different
Arrangement of particles in different
arrangement
directions.
of particles
In different directions.
in different directions. In the book also they have given a diagram, students, of different arrangement of the particles. If you have something like this, these are two different particles.
Yes, sir.
Now if I go this way, if I go this way, if I go this way, am I getting the same particles? So different directions, you get different arrangement of the particles, students. That is what we call as an isotropy. Important question has been put up many times in the paper, students. Next question is, what type of stoichiometry defect is responsible for the pink color of LIC, student?
Metal excess defect due to anionic vacancies.
Metal excess defect due to anionic vacancy. What type of stoichiometry defect is shown by NaCl?
Schottky defect.
NaCl is an ionic compound. This is in stoichiometric. Stoichiometry, that was non-stoichiometric. See, we read the statement carefully every time, because reasoning and assertive, that one word will make the difference. Students, we have to think and answer the questions. What type of non-stoichiometric defect is responsible? Okay, stoichiometric NaCl. This is Schottky defect. All right. Next question, student. How will you distinguish? There are questions on basically one word or one line answer questions are there, students. How will you distinguish between the following pairs of terms? So you have to write the definitions of tetrahedral words and octahedral words. What is the definition of tetrahedral word, student?
Tetrahedral void and octahedral void.
What we will write in the paper, students?
A tetrahedral void is formed by is formed when the centers of the four spheres are joined.
Four spheres are joined, formed when four spheres or atoms, ठीक है, are packed, ठीक है,
Okay.
to form tetrahedron. What do they form? Tetrahedron. Centers of these spheres will form tetrahedron. You have seen that. Now what do you do? This is what is tetrahedral void.
Yes, sir.
4 centers, when you will join, they will form a tetrahedron. And what is a octahedral void?
It will be formed when the centers of 8 spheres are packed to form
Eight,
an
eight
octahedron.
spheres. These are not 8 spheres.
No, it was not 8. It was 6. 6 spheres.
Why did I give all this? Because they will give definitions also in the paper, student, and you will know the answer, but you will write wrong. You will know the answer, but you are writing wrong in the paper. You will lose marks. When the centers of 6 spheres or atoms or particles, ठीक है,
Yes, sir.
join to form octahedron. Octahedron. Because what I do basically, what do I present students? We have drawn it so many times. This you can see octahedral void. Do you see that? You see that? 3 and 3, 6. This is the octahedral void. Put this 3 and this. You got it?
Yes, sir.
So once they are put, student, what you will get? This will be larger than the tetrahedral void. We should be able to write the answer correctly. That is my point. Why we have taken some definitions, because definitions students know, but they don't write correctly in the paper. All right, next question. What type of stoichiometric defect is shown by KCl?
What type of stoichiometric defect is shown by KCl and why? Stoichiometric. It shows Schottky defect.
KCl, alkali metal halides. We told you, student, alkali metal halides. So students, alkali metals are very large in size. Alkali metals, and plus they are in fact have very large size. You know, largest in size. And Cl minus is large in size. So Schottky defect. What is the reason?
Because the size of the anion and cation is almost similar.
Size, because you can see this one mark is split up into half and half. Size of K plus is equal to size of the cation and anion are almost equal, therefore they will show. What type of semiconductor is formed when silicon is doped with arsenic, students?
Silicon is doped with arsenic. N-type semiconductor.
Silicon is which group?
Group 14.
Arsenic is which group?
Group 15. 15.
Group 15. Phosphorus, arsenic, antimony. So what will happen if I put this will why it is N type?
It is electron rich in nature
Electron
and is
rich,
negative.
because the arsenic belongs to group 15 There are 5 valence electrons. Silicon has 4. One extra electron is coming. So there will be electron excess will show n type of defect. Which one is an example of molecular solid? You have CO2 and SiO2 students.
Uh, Molecular solid is CO2.
Why? You know that CO2 exists as discrete molecule. Whereas SiO2, SiO2,
It is a covalent solid or network solid.
it has 3-dimensional network. You know that carbon dioxide is a gas and SiO2 is a solid. That is a similar type of question has been up in the paper, students. Question could be rotated, question could be changed. See the depth of the question. Anything can be asked. What type of substances would make better magnets? Ferromagnetic or ferrimagnetic?
Uh, Ferromagnetic would make better
What
magnets.
what is a ferromagnetic substance, student?
Uh, these are those substances which, when placed in the magnetic field, all domains will get oriented in the direction of the magnetic field and would produce a
Domains.
strong magnetic effect.
Examples of ferromagnetic substance they have asked in the paper many times. Give example.
Iron, iron,
Iron shows
nickel,
ferromagnetism.
cobalt, nickel, gadolinium.
Ferromagnetic substances are those, students, because once you put them in the magnetic field, their domains get aligned up in the same direction. Therefore, they are strongly attracted by the magnetic field. Ferro. So these iron, cobalt, nickel are examples. Usually, the CBSE asks the names of the examples of these type of those substances which will show ferromagnetism. Many times they asked in the paper. All right. How many atoms can be assigned to its unit cell if elements form BCC, student?
BCC is Z is equal to 2.
Number of atoms per unit cell. For FCC,
Z is equal to 4.
for simple cubic,
It is 1.
we are going to use this value a lot in numericals of density, as one of the numerical is usually asked in the paper, students. It's usually asked in the paper. Why is glass considered a super cooled liquid, students?
Glass is considered a supercooled liquid because glass is an amorphous solid. So it has a tendency to flow, but very slowly.
Any example which shows that glass acts as a super cooled liquid or a pseudo solid, students? Glass windows of old buildings. Glass windows of old buildings are thicker at the bottom. Why they are thicker? This question has been put up many times, students. What happens?
When the sun rays directly fall over the top of the window panes,
Hmm?
the glass very slowly moves towards the bottom over the years, and hence the bottom becomes thicker. Uh,
Thicker. All right. We have seen it, and question has been put up in the paper many times. What type of ionic substances show Schottky defects in solid, students?
those ionic substances in which the size of the anion and cation are almost similar, alkali halides basically.
Ionic substances in which size of cations is almost equal to size of anions. Alkali metal halides are there, but also Ag, AgBr.
Yes.
On heating crystal of KCl in potassium vapor. KCl in potassium vapor, the crystal starts exhibiting violet color. What is it due to, student? Important.
It is due to the metal excess defect due to anionic vacancies,
This is a
non-stoichiometric defect.
non-stoichiometric non-stoichiometric metal
Excess defect.
defect. ठीक है? Metal excess defects. What happens, student? Why it exhibits violet color?
Because when it is heated in the potassium vapors, it will lose electron, and these electrons will then be accumulated in the F centers, and
Due
hence
to
it will
F
give colors.
center unpaired electrons. It shows violet color because these electrons can absorb light in the visible region and get excited. So they will show color is always due to absorption of light energy, students. In the visible part, whatever wavelength is absorbed, complementary colors are seen or the electron are excited. What type of substances would make better magnets? We answered that question,
Yes,
coming
sir.
again in the paper in a different form.
Ferro- Ferromagnetic.
Ferromagnetic, that means is an important question, student. Ferromagnetic substances, because their domains
Align in the same
get
direction.
aligned up in their all domains get aligned up in the same direction in the presence of a magnetic field. Iron, cobalt, nickel, and so on. Question many times they have asked it, so it repeats in a different way, different form. I could put in objective type also. four choices or reasoning, assertive type, paragraphs, or anything can be there, students. As per the paper, they can change it. What type of stoichiometric defect is shown by AGCL, student?
AGCL shows Frankel defect.
Frankel defect. What is the Frankel defect? Smaller cation dislocates to interstitial site. ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
Repeatedly, certain questions are coming. Does that give us some clues to the coming examination, students? We are we are collecting the most important questions from different sources, which we are teaching you. All the physical, organic, inorganic, and they could be asked in any of the exam in different forms. In different forms. What forms you are getting? MCQ,
Assertion reasoning.
paragraphs, assertion, reasoning. But if we understand hardly matters, if we understand, we will be able to answer all the questions 100%. That is our objective. This will help in the competitions which you are going for, NEET, etc. very, very clearly. So we are also taking into consideration the competition exams students are going for, students. So you should know and understand everything. Understanding is essential for answering the questions in the coming exams. No rattabaji. Those who are thinking they will do rattabaji, they will not be doing anything good. Account for the following, students. Schottky defects lower the density of the related solid. What is our answer, students?
Schottky defects lower the density of solids because the number of missing anions and cations are same. So it is a
Short-
type of vacancy defect.
Schottky defect is a vacancy defect. Vacancy stoichiometric defect. See, I'm trying to explain each and every word so that anything could be there. Equal number of cations and anions are missing. Therefore, lowers the density of the solids. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Conductivity of silicon increasing on doping with phosphorus, students. What happens when silicon is doped with phosphorus, student?
When silicon is doped with phosphorus, phosphorus has 5 valence electrons. They will occupy some of the lattice sites in silicon, and so 4 out of 5 electrons will be used in the formation of 4 covalent bonds. So it will form an N-type semiconductor.
There will be excess of
Excess of electrons.
electron rich impurity, and it will increase conductivity as it becomes N-type semiconductors. You know that pure Pure silicon is called, they are called intrinsic
intrinsic semiconductors.
intrinsic semiconductors. They have asked what is an intrinsic semiconductor. Intrinsic semiconductors. These are pure types
Pure type semiconductors.
and they have very low conductivity and cannot be used so much, student, because of the lower value. So we improve their conductivity by doping. What is doping, student?
Doping is the process of addition of some impurities in the pure type semiconductors to increase their conductivity.
There are two types of doping, N type and P
And P
type.
type.
What is P type of doping, students?
So your voice is breaking a little bit.
Okay, it will be okay. So maybe some network problem is there.
What
But
is the question that you asked?
what is P type of doping, students?
P type of doping is that when silicon is doped with a group 13 element like aluminium or boron.
Group,
It,
if I dope, student, doping two types. One of the question is coming on doping. Silicon is 14 group 14, and if I add student group 13, what are those? Boron, aluminium, gallium, indium, like that. And if I add, this will become P type. And if I add group 15, nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony, what are those? N type.
N type.
What happens in P type, student?
Doping of silicon with a group 13 element.
Then what will happen?
Electron deficient.
Then what do they call as electron holes?
Electron holes.
Electron holes, student. So here electron rich. However, the result of the two is increase in conductivity. Intrinsic semiconductor has very low values of the conductivities. That is why doping is done. Next question, why does lithium chloride acquire pink color when heated, students?
Due to the metal excess defect due to anionic vacancies and F
Anionic
centers.
vacancies, what will happen? You have lithium,
F
it will
centers.
react with Cl to form LiCl, and then electrons will be released, student. This will release electrons, and electrons will occupy anionic sites which are created due to the by the Cl minus ions, what we call as F centers, which will contain unpaired electrons, and they can absorb light in the visible region and will show the pink color. That is the situation. We understand the mechanism of every process, student. We must understand everything, as I always say that, and we're not mugging anything. We should know what is the real steps which are taking place. Next question, what change occurs when AgCl? AgCl is doped with cadmium chloride, student. AgCl is doped with cadmium chloride.
AgCl, when it is doped with CdCl2, it will be impurity defect. It will be an impurity defect.
You have Ag and ions, chloride ions, Ag plus ion, chloride ions, Ag plus ion, chloride ions, you have chloride ions, you have Ag plus ions, you have chloride ions, you have Ag plus ion, chloride ion, Ag plus ion, like this. You are adding Cd2 plus. Now what will happen? This Cd2 plus will replace how many? 1 and 1, 2. 1 Cd plus will take the place of 1 Ag plus and will create 1 Ag plus vacancy. ठीक है? So what do we call this as? What will be the result?
It will create an impurity defect in this case.
Impurity. This is called impurity defect and will create vacant sites.
Cationic vacancies.
Impurity defect will create
Cationic
cationic
vacancies.
vacancy equal to the number of Cd2 plus added.
Cd2 plus.
So what will be the consequence of this? What will happen, students? It will to the density of the crystal, students.
It will decrease the density.
Decrease the density. Decrease the density of the crystal, students. Okay. Next question. What type of semiconductor is produced when silicon is doped with boron, students?
P-type semiconductor.
P-type, electron deficient. What we call as electron rich, electron deficient.
Electron deficient.
So this is electron deficient type of semiconductor. What type of semiconductor is obtained when silicon is doped with boron, student? You answered that. What type of magnetism is shown in the following alignment of magnetic moments?
It is ferromagnetism.
Ferromagnetism, students. Ferromagnetism. All the domains are aligned up in the same direction. We have, this is so much important question coming so many times in different way. By now we remember iron, nickel, cobalt, all those gadolinium, these are going to get aligned and they will form very good magnet, students. What type of point defect is produced when AgCl is doped with cadmium? We have already said important question. Impurity defect.
Yes, sir.
These questions repeatedly asked at so many places, student. So many places. One of these numerical is always expected and important. We told you important. All important questions have been brought to you on solid state. 1 mark questions. These are 1 mark questions. Students on solids. Very, 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 very important questions. Aluminium crystallizes in FCC. Atomic radius of metal is 125. What is the length of the side of the unit cell, students? What is the formula which we are going to use, students?
A is equal to 2 root 2 R.
A is equal to, what is that, FCC? A is equal to 2 root 2 R, student. 2, what is root 2?
1.414.
Well, certain values we know already, no problem. Root 3, what is root 3, student? 125. picometer. What is the answer coming then?
It will be
Whatever, but now it's only small calculation involved. This is 250 root 2. 250 root 2 picometer.
it will come around 354 picometers.
354
Picometers.
picometer. So basically, students, what we have tried to show in all these questions, the most important questions are being discussed on physical chemistry. Then we have organic, inorganic like this, and we will continue to discuss all this in our next coming lectures. Then I will meet you in my next class, students. So our practice and should be so good that once it paper comes, you will feel it as if you know everything, all types of questions. The questions may be put in different way. They can be put in MCQ forms. They can be put in paragraph, students, where you have assertion and reasons, students. They can be numericals, student. Physical chemistry will involve all this. So we are prepared for anything. They can ask you simple how to write the statement, student. We will know it, but we must be able to give correct answers. Correct answers. You don't have to write more. Minimum has to be written, as you have seen in every question. And you are giving, see what is happening, answer, reason, like this makes 1 mark, student.
Okay.
All these were 1 marks question, which we have told you how to answer 1 marks physical chemistry questions in the paper. All right, then we will see you in our next class.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Okay.